Okay, so it is now in the near December, and it's a time of year when people have cold. The young ones have cold, so I've planted I nourished my leaf of life patch. You see, they're so robust you can't hardly tell that they're actually leaf of life. You see them? Look at that leaf of life. This is universally used in Jamaica for cold or sore throats or any of the ailments that might affect you during the course of having a flu or a really bad chest cold or some sort of allergies. It's beaten, juiced, and sweetened with honey, and sometimes different things. You can use rum or different type of essence. All right, so that's a leaf of life.